Unlocking Power with SAP BPC, AMDP. I'll delve into SAP BPC Advanced Business Programming, AMDP, a powerful tool for extending BPC functionalities and optimizing data processing. BPC stands for Business Planning and Consolidation. AMDP, in this context, refers to ABAP Managed Database Procedures. It allows you to embed custom ABAP logic directly within your BPC environment. This grants finer control over data manipulation and processing compared to standard BPC functionalities. This code executes directly on the BPC server, offering significant performance benefits compared to standard logic scripts. AMDP provides developers with greater control over data access, calculations, and validations within BPC. SAP BPC AMDP lets you develop custom logic within BPC using the familiar ABAP language. This code can be triggered by various events within BPC, such as user actions, example, pressing a button, data validation, during input calculations within logic scripts. Why use AMDP? Here are some compelling reasons to use AMDP. Enhanced calculations, perform complex calculations beyond BPC standard functions. Custom data validations, implement specific data validation rules not available in BPC. Data transformations, transform data before loading it into BPC or during consolidation processes. Integration with external systems, connect BPC with external systems like CRM or custom applications. Workflow automation, automate tasks within BPC workflows using custom logic. Benefits of AMDP: enhance performance, bypass limitations of standard BPC logic by performing complex calculations or data transformations directly in the database. This can significantly improve processing speed for large datasets. Increased flexibility, tailor data handling to fit specific business needs. BPC AMDP enables complex calculations, validations, and data cleansing routines not readily available in standard BPC. Improved security, leverage ABAP's robust security framework to restrict access to critical data manipulation logic. Sample use case, dynamic data validation with AMDP. Imagine you have a BPC model for budgeting expenses. You want to ensure expense amounts don't exceed a predefined departmental budget stored in a separate SAP system. Here's how AMDP can help. 1. Develop AMDP code. Write ABAP code that connects to the external SAP system and retrieves the departmental budget for the current user's department accessible from BPC context. 2. Trigger AMDP on input. Link the AMDP code to the logic script for expense entry. 3. Validation check within the AMDP code. Compare the entered expense amount with the retrieved departmental budget. 4. Error handling. If the expense exceeds the budget, display an error message within BPC preventing data entry. Sample use case, dynamic calculation of revenue. Imagine a scenario where revenue is calculated by multiplying price and quantity, but these values reside in separate BPC input forms. Standard BPC logic might require multiple steps or complex logic within the environment. BPC AMDP approach. 1. Develop an AMDP function that retrieves price and quantity data based on user-selected filters from the BPC view. 2. Within the AMDP function, perform the calculation price multiplied by quantity directly in the database. 3. Return the calculated revenue value back to the BPC environment for display or further processing. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it helps you in your implementations. Check out the tutorial document that contains sample code for AMDP. Message me Dinesh MM in LinkedIn for any queries and share the video and document if you find it useful. Have a wonderful day ahead.